Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different and honestly I'm really excited to film this one because I finally get to share the two big updates with you properly. First, this channel has completed 20,000 subscribers. And second, my official website is live. I didn't just want to post this as a story because for me this is not just a normal update. It feels like one of those moments where you actually pause and realize something you started has actually started becoming real. This channel did not reach 20,000 subscribers in one day. It happened through so many small things. Writing scripts, planning videos, changing thumbnails, and many more. And sometimes even looking at a video after uploading it and thinking, okay, I could have done this better. That has been the whole process. And honestly, that makes this milestone feel special. Not just because 20,000 is a big number, but because I know the amount of effort, excitement, and improvement that has been the part of this journey. When I started creating videos, I was just sharing what I was learning, and slowly this channel became a place where I could talk about self-development, AI, and communication. And now seeing that 20,000 people have connected to this channel, it feels amazing. So before talking about anything else, I want to thank you. Even a simple comment means a lot. And along with the 20k milestone, I also launched my website. And this is something I'm really excited about because I really needed a proper place where I can showcase everything I'm building. YouTube is part of it, Instagram is also part of it, blogs, future projects are also part of it. But until now, everything was kind of spread across different platforms. So the website is kind of like a clean space where everything comes together. So let me quickly show you around the website. On the home page, you'll find a simple introduction about who I am, what this platform is about, and what I create. I wanted the home page to feel calm, clear, and easy to explore. Then there's the about page, where I've shared more about my journey and why I'm building this platform. It's more like the story behind the channel and the work I do. Then there's a blog page, where I'll be sharing written ideas, articles, thoughts around the same topics I usually make videos on. Then there's the newsletter page, the Aligned newsletter. This is for the people who want to stay connected beyond social media. Through the newsletter, I'll be sharing updates, ideas, and resources. I wanted it to feel personal and useful, not like a random promotional email. And then there's the resources page, which I'm really excited about. Right now, the resources page has three main sections. The first section is the Aligned Planner, my Notion template. It is a simple digital planner made to organize your tasks, goals, habits, and projects in one clean space. It comes with daily, weekly, and monthly planning pages, easy navigation, trackers, and both light and dark mode. You just open it, duplicate it in Notion, and start planning. So if you want a simple system to feel more organized, you can check it out from the resources section. So I will properly introduce it in another video. I'll explain how it works, why I made it, and how you can use it. The second is AI tools. This section is for AI tools and resources that make learning, creating, and planning easier. The third one is workshops. The workshops are still to be launched. I want to create workshops around topics like communication, confidence, and AI in a practical way. Also, the links to access the website, Notion template, and newsletter are added in the pinned comment and description, so you can easily check it out from there. And honestly, this whole journey has taught me that you don't need everything to be perfect before you start. Then you make it better. And slowly, something that felt like a small idea starts becoming real. That's exactly how this channel grew. Thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers, and there's so much more that I want to launch, share, and create. So yes, the website is live now. You can check it from the pinned comment and description. So this is Levikah, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.